Hey guys, this is how to be private on Midjourney or how to use Midjourney privately. So the reason why you might need to do that is that some people just want their images, the generated images, to be private to them, and also like you might need to use them within your individual private servers. So first thing you need to do is to have a server of your own. So the process of creating a server is pretty easy. So all you need to do is just click on this plus button and let's just create my own. Let's say it's for me and my friends. And here you can upload a photo for the server and you can name the server. So let's name it Midjourney Trial. So, yep, here we go. So click on create and now you have yourself a server. And now what we're gonna do is add the Midjourney bot to this server so we can access it or use it inside of the server. So what we're gonna do is go back to Midjourney, the Midjourney server, and you're gonna see a bunch of images created by Midjourney. So just go to one of them and just click on the word Midjourney bot, the username here. So just click on it and then just click on add app. You're gonna have two options to use the app everywhere, which is the beta app, or to add it to a server. So we're gonna click on add to server. And then we're gonna have the option to select the server we wanna add it to. So that would be Midjourney Trial. And then click on continue. Make sure that all these checkboxes are checked just to have full functionality of the bot. And then click on authorize. You may have to do a CAPTCHA, so I am human. I'm not a robot, I promise. And then here we go. Let's go to Midjourney Trial. And yeah, you can see that Midjourney bot joined the party. You can start using it. So all you need to do to use it, just type / imagine. Oh, imagine. And you can start typing your prompt. So yeah, guys, this is how to use Midjourney privately on your own servers. Hope that video is helpful.